Welcome to Eco Elevate. This is going to be a comprehensive guide for all fitness enthusiasts and students about how muscle growth works and how to optimize the mechanism. Doing anything, after gaining a good knowledge about its mechanism, working principle, yields better result and is always advantageous. I am creating this playlist keeping the same in mind and with the objective to provide my viewers with the knowledge about the science behind muscle growth. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Muscle growth, or hypertrophy, is a fascinating process driven by a series of intricate mechanisms within our bodies. When we engage in resistance training, such as lifting weights, we subject our muscles to mechanical stress. This stress activates specialized cells called satellite cells, which reside on the surface of muscle fibers. These satellite cells spring into action, multiplying and fusing with existing muscle fibers to repair and strengthen them. Furthermore, the mechanical stress from resistance training sets off a cascade of biochemical signals within our muscles. One key pathway involved is called mechanotransduction. Think of it as the muscle's way of translating physical tension into chemical signals that kickstart the growth process. This pathway involves the activation of various molecular switches, including the mTOR pathway, which acts as a central regulator of protein synthesis, the process through which our muscles build new proteins. Speaking of protein synthesis, it's a critical aspect of muscle growth. When we lift weights, our muscles respond by ramping up the production of proteins that make up muscle tissue. These proteins, like actin and myosin, are the building blocks of muscle fibers. As more of these proteins are synthesized and added to existing muscle fibers, the fibers grow larger and stronger, a phenomenon known as muscle fiber hypertrophy. Hormones also play a crucial role in muscle growth. Anabolic hormones, such as testosterone, growth hormone, and insulin-like growth factor 1, IGF-1, are like chemical messengers that signal our muscles to grow in response to exercise. These hormones promote protein synthesis and inhibit protein breakdown, creating an optimal environment for muscle growth. On the flip side, catabolic hormones like cortisol can hinder muscle growth by promoting protein breakdown, highlighting the delicate hormonal balance necessary for muscle development. But muscle growth isn't just about lifting weights and hormones, it's also about recovery and adaptation. After a challenging workout, our muscles need time to recover and repair the microdamage inflicted during exercise. This recovery period is when muscle growth actually occurs, as our bodies rebuild and strengthen the muscles to withstand future stressors. Adequate rest, nutrition, and recovery strategies are essential for supporting this process and maximizing muscle growth over time. In essence, muscle growth is a complex interplay of mechanical, biochemical, and hormonal factors that culminate in the enlargement and strengthening of our muscles. By understanding and harnessing these mechanisms through smart training, nutrition, and recovery practices, we can optimize muscle growth and achieve our fitness goals. Stay tuned for such informative videos.